So this video is about delivery of my new car. I'm Jagath and welcome back to my channel. We actually gave away our old car and got it exchanged. Reason for exchanging our old Ford Figo is number 1, it is 8 years old. Number 2, the car has completed 1,80,000 kilometers. And third reason is to avoid any upcoming problems. So we decided this is the time to exchange it. Ford Figo is actually very special to me. 2 reasons. So that was our first top end variant car. Number 2, I actually learned to drive in that car only. So we reached the showroom at 7 o'clock. So after nearly half an hour, after all the paperwork and procedure, we actually got it delivered. So that was during the delivery time. We actually booked a car during midnight of a sale which was happening from December 6th to December 8th, and we actually booked on the first day itself, that is December 6th. So during that offer they told us that we will be getting some electronic items like speakers, microwave oven and so on. But after a week we got call from the showroom. So they actually told us Ford has cancelled those offers. Instead of those items they will be giving cash discount. So we actually got our car delivered on December 18. Exactly during the November-December month of 2018, we actually gave away our Renault Kwid and got S-Cross. So this year we actually gave away our Figo and got Freestyle. We actually went for the basic model in Freestyle. Nearly 5 of us will be driving and we actually use it on regular basis. So we will be taking it to site visits and so on. So we decided that basic model would be the best choice. Only drawback in this basic model is that we actually don't get audio system.